Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. My name is Muhammad Aryan Ali and today we will learn about JavaScript. It is our first class of JavaScript. So first of all we will learn about introduction of JavaScript, then we will go little bit to the practical. I will open W3 School. And now here is the introduction to JavaScript. JavaScript is the world's most popular programming language. JavaScript is the programming language of the web. JavaScript is easy to learn. This tutorial will teach you JavaScript from basic to advanced. Meaning like JavaScript is the most popular programming language and it is used for web. Meaning website, creating a website, it's used for that purpose. But you can use it for back-end work too, but mostly it is used for front-end. Java language is used mostly for back-end work. It is very easy to learn, so we will slowly from basics to advanced we will go slowly. Here's one example is my first JavaScript here. Click me to display date and time. Now I will click on it. So as you can see, it is telling me the correct date and time according to my system. As you can see, here is 10:37 and here is to 10:37. Like I will again click, so as you can see seconds are to working and same minutes. 10:38 and 38. Today is Friday, January 26, 2024. It is done by JavaScript. And now use the menu like this responsive. We made from in previous videos. We made responsive navbar from CSS and HTML, but we can also create it with JavaScript too, and mostly it is created by JavaScript. Like this website is created by JavaScript. This responsiveness is created by JavaScript. When I will click, as you can see, it is done by JavaScript here. And now we will start learning some introductions. So we will open our folder. I have already created, it's our course 22. I will open it with code. I will always write the syntax first, so we will not, our time will not waste. Like I have written here the syntax in HTML. So there are two ways to use JavaScript with HTML. One is internal JS and one is external JS. Meaning external meaning we will create other file of JavaScript and link it with it, and other is internal meaning we can write JavaScript inside the HTML file. There are two ways to write in internal JS. One, you can write in head like this. You will write script, and script you can write your JavaScript, or you can do like this. In the bottom you can write with the body closing tag, you can write the script. And you should use, I will recommend you that you should use in the bottom and not in the head, because in head we write use styles and this, and it would be very confusing and sometimes errors to come due to using JS in head. So you should use always JS inside with the body closing tag in the bottom. Now I will tell you how to link JS file with HTML file. So first we will create our file. I will name it as script.js. For JavaScript you have to write JS, and like HTML, for HTML making a file we write HTML. So for creating JavaScript file you will write JS and press enter now. So as you can see we are in the JavaScript file, and now I will comment it. Now how to link these both files? To link these both files, first write here script, like here it was written. In script write the attribute src like this. And if you don't want to do, so you want to just direct want that it should be written src with it. So when you would be writing script, so you will get three suggestions: script module, and script src. So here as you can see third option is script src. When you will press on it, so automatically src will come. So here you have to write the file name of JavaScript. So I keep the name of JavaScript file script.js. So I have, now its meaning is HTML file and this JS file are linked together. So now we will program a small code. I will write here console console.log. This now I will write parenthesis, and in parenthesis I can write anything. But if you want directly that syntax should be written, so you can write log, and which have this like a box icon. You have to use that one. Like here's log. When I will click on it, so as you can see, full syntax of console.log is came. Console.log is used to print anything in JS file. Like here, if I will write hello, like here hello, I will write. Now when I will print it, here's print button, but nothing will happen, nothing will print, because there is one application we have to download it, so our JS file will not print. It is getting print in my system because I have downloaded, and that is Node. In your systems it will not work because you have to download one application. Open your browser and search here JavaScript, or you can search node.js. Search this node.js, and then here is download icon. Download button you will press here. So here in this page you will reach. Here you have to select your operating system. My operating system is Windows, so I will click on Windows, and your downloading will start automatically. When it will download, I will tell you how to install it. First let it get installed. This node is a runner of JavaScript, as you can say. Without this we can't run our JavaScript code, so it's important to download Node. Like for Python, you have to download Python. So for JavaScript, you have to download Node. So now it is downloaded. So we will open it. I will open it from here, and then as you can see, install is started. A later version of Node.js is already installed. Setup will now exit. So it's coming because I have downloaded. If I will uninstall it, I will show you that how to download it. So that's why I will uninstall from my system Node. Here is, and here I will uninstall it. Here was already a folder of uninstalling. Here I will go uninstall node.js. Yes, I want to uninstall, and I will uninstall. Then I will tell you how to install it. There is one step to download a node. So it's uninstalling, it's preparing. So now it will uninstall, and I will tell you how to download Node. Until it will uninstall, I will tell you some syntaxes of JavaScript. Like we will go to JavaScript introduction, and like JavaScript can change HTML content. Meaning is like it can change anything of HTML, because JavaScript is a very high level programming language which can change HTML content very easily. We can change it. Like here is document.get. It's a small syntax of JavaScript to change HTML. Here is the light bulb. It is done by JavaScript. The no light is on, and if I will but it's not originally a bulb, it's color. As you can see, it is just a color, yellow color is coming on it, and it is only done by JavaScript. Okay, now things over is uninstalled. So now I will come here. So it is near to uninstall. Here it's now 35 seconds are remaining, so until we will learn. So JavaScript, it's a very useful language. You will enjoy to learn this language. This is here output and syntax I will show you of JavaScript until our node get uninstalled. As you can see, this is a var which is used to create a variable, but it is now we should not use it because it is removed. It's not actually removed, we can use it, but it has some errors, and like these errors are, that's why we should not use it. So but let is which is introduced in latest JavaScript version let, which was introduced in the place of var. So we will learn slowly how to use this all. So as you can see, it is near to uninstall. So we will wait. So now it's uninstalled. So we will now download it. So I will press Ctrl plus J to look my downloads. So I will open it. So here is welcome to node.js setup visit. So we will click next. I will accept everything. So next, here you can select where you want to install the node. It's okay, the default path is okay. Now here, press next. Then here automatically install necessary tools, check it, and then next, then install. Then click yes, and then your node will start installing. It is getting installed now. Then we can use our JavaScript files very easily. Look, until the node is not downloaded, so we will try to run. We will try to run our JavaScript. I will click here, play button. So maybe it will not run because node is not yet installed. As this node is installed, because it's in installing mode, so maybe some files that are necessary to run the program would be installed. That's why it is running. Now here is now completed the node.js setups. Node.js has been successfully installed. Now click finish, and then you will come to this. Then press any key to continue. Now you can cut this terminal. So now our node is downloaded. So what you have to press, control plus, there is one button in the left side of one. When you will click on it, it is below the escape button and up on the tab button and left of the one button, like control plus button. You will press it, so our program, this terminal will open. Now here what you have to write, node, because JavaScript is working on node. So after writing node, click space and then write the file name. Like here I will write script.js. Now when I will click enter, so as you can see, our hello is here printed. So here we can write many things, like I will write here hello place, hi, and what are you doing, and this is like, if you don't want to write again node and script.js, so press up and down key, like as you can see. So up key will write that same thing which is you write latestly. If you will press again, so it will like previous one, then again previous, like is all it is showing. So like this you can write. I will press up button, arrow button, up one arrow button. Now I will press enter. As you can see, it's print hello, hi, what are you doing, and this is printed. This is JavaScript small syntax. We will learn slowly to advanced JavaScript we will go. So thank you guys for this video. Only this much. We will meet in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.